this lovely dress, which I find a little bit dated now, I've hardly worn. So today I'm going to restyle it from a dress to a skirt using just one cut and one sewing line. So why and how am I going to do it? Why? Well, as much as 7 years ago, with the emergence of fast fashion, where we could buy things much cheaper and it's disposable, the fashion industry was found to be producing 2.1 billion metric tons of GHG gases into the environment. And half of this was being produced by fast fashion. An Oxfam study concluded that clothing purchased in the UK produced more CO2 emissions per minute than driving 6 times around the world. So I'm doing my bit, because fashion doesn't need to cost the earth. Let's go. Right, I'm transforming this from a dress to a maxi skirt. And this is where my one cut is going to be, just here. I've marked it up to size with a pin. And now I'm just going to cut between these two elastication lines. Right, next I need to undo this top layer of shirring elastic. You have to work out the best way of doing this according to how well it's stitched. Sometimes you can just cut through these little stitches, your little row of stitching on the outside, and pull those in lengths out, and then it will release the elastic on the back. Other times it's a case of releasing the elastic, cutting through the elastic and pulling, and that's what I'm doing now. Then where you've pulled the elastic out, that stitching should pretty much fall out. Removing this row of shirring elastic will just give us enough material to do a turning and neaten it. Okay, that's all completed. Now all we need to do now is fold this edge over, this rough edge, fold it over twice, just a very narrow edge, and stitch all along just to finish it off. So if you haven't got a machine, you can do it all by hand. If you have got a machine stitch it. That's it. That's given me a nicely finished edge. And this will pretty much lie flat when it's worn and be comfortable. And I've finished. My dress is now transformed into a maxi skirt, which is usable again. I'll just come closer so you can see a bit better. Okay, this is the finished top edge of the skirt. And it's now usable again. And I just hope it will give you confidence to have a go yourself if you've got a similar dress that you just don't use anymore, or you just want to have a go at this and you can pick something up in the charity shop that you really like the fabric of to convert. Have a little go, save the planet and save your pocket at the same time, or your purse. See you on the next one.